Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. It is a rainy and cold day here in Minnesota. We've had some beautiful weather recently, and so I'm very thankful. And if you've not heard of Stitch Fix before, it is a clothing subscription company. I'm going to include information in the link below if you're not aware of it, and I do have a referral if you want to use mine, but you can get the first month of your service for free, and then you get a credit, and I also do. So you can either use that referral or someone else's. Also, if you've not already done so, please subscribe. I love to do these videos, and I hope that they are helpful for others to see, because I do like to watch other people do the unboxing and try-ons for Stitch Fix. So before I open this, I wanted to say I did ask for color, and I didn't give a lot of other directions, so we're just gonna jump right in. Watson, what do you think? All right. Oh, and there is a lot of color in here, and I did peek. Okay, this first item is it's by D. Ellie. It is a crop top. It is a beautiful color. I love the color. I love like the pattern, and this kind of royal blue is one of my favorites. However, yeah, this will not work on me, unfortunately. But I'm gonna try it on because I love the pattern and I love the color. And the next thing is this pair of Parker Smith, the Ava Capri Skinny Jean. It says it is in light purple. So here they are. So they're just a solid jean. I haven't even heard of this Parker Smith brand before. It's a very light lavender color. It actually looks almost gray, and so I'm not sure about this color on me, because I do have some gray jeans, but I would actually like another pair of gray jeans. Anyway, I will try these on as well. Next, okay. This is a pair of shorts. These are by Market and Spruce, and I cannot remember what they're called, but they are obviously a camouflage pattern. They are the Camellia double button cargo short. So if you can kind of see, there is a camouflage pattern. It's kind of that more dark, I don't even know how to describe it. It's not a bright. So there's pockets in the back, and they are both real pockets. There's pockets in the front, obviously, and at the bottom. That's why they're called cargo shorts. So anyway, I'll try these on. These look a little long for me, but I'll definitely give it a shot. I'm pretty full up on my camouflage. Okay, so this one is funny, and I did peek online and I saw this one. This is totally my style. This is the Liverpool Harper denim jacket. However, I already have this jacket. I really do like this jacket, but it's the exact one that I last item. So, again, I am willing to try anything, so this is a very bright color for me. But this is a maxi dress, and it is by Wisp. I have seen good reviews of these dresses. This one is, I don't know if the color's coming through. It's really not very well, but it's like a really bright coral with some like bright yellow and kind of, I don't even know what kind of green I would say that is. Lime, neon lime-ish. And it has that in the back, and one of my favorite things about the style of this dress is it looks like I can wear it with a regular bra. So I'm going to try this one on. This is such a bright color for me, but anyway, so like I said, I asked for color. I think she sent a good amount of color. A little bit different than my typical style, but I'm going to go do the try on, and hopefully Watson will wake up and participate, but probably not. Okay, all right, I'm being stoic here. I do not want to model this, and I'm not going to model this for you. I will show you that it shows about this amount of my stomach. You can see in the back, it shows about that amount, which, you know, might be fine. I'm just not really doing that right now. So I also have on the pants. These are the Parker Smith capri pants in lavender. You can see, I'm not sure that they really hit me like a capri. To me, they almost feel just like an ankle fit. And I think they're cute. They're fine. My one issue is, actually, I'll try them with a white shirt. So these are the pants with just a white tank top, which, by the way, I just got. So, okay. So I think it does have kind of a spring-summer feel to it. I'm not sure what I think, like I said, about these pants. But anyway, this is what they look like. This is just a quick insert because when I was in my closet, I realized I do have a pair of lavender pants, although they have faded to like this weird gray color, that I got through Stitch Fix last year. And these are the Pistola Cargo Skinnies. Anyway, I think these are cute with white and would work very well. So that is probably going to rule those jeans out for me. So anyway, these are the shorts by Market and Spruce, and with the camel pattern. They're very comfortable. They're cute. They're just, I don't know, a little too big and a little too, I mean, I can't even call them long, but there's just something about this style. And I think they're a good length on me. The thing that I don't love is kind of they bell out on the sides a little bit. So yeah, these are the shorts. You'll notice I have this jacket sitting on the bed, so I thought I would just throw it on, even though I don't think I would ever wear it with these shorts. So here's the jacket, as you can see, which I already own and is in my closet. And if you have not seen it up close, it has just kind of the standard buttons, or buttons, yes, on the sleeves, but they are actually snaps. Oh, we gotta back up here. It has the snaps on the sleeves, just these double pockets, kind of a stand-up collar, and that little thing that goes across. So it's a little bit of a structured, fitted, almost sort of a military style jacket, and I really do love it, which is why I wear mine that I own. So this is sort of the look she sent. These are the shorts. I don't know if I showed you the pattern of these. This is what they look like. That's how they look in the back. This is this. Here we go. I have one last thing to try on. This jacket does not work. The dress. And so I will come and show you that. Okay, wow, that is bright. So this is the maxi dress by Wisp. But this is how it looks. The colors are beautiful. Like I said, just a very bright kind of coral color with this darker sort of burnt orange in it. Then all of these really pretty bright colors you can see here. And it has, you know, again, this neckline, which is really nice because you can wear a bra with it. A halter bra would be even better, but, you know, it holds everything in. The only thing I'm noticing just a little bit is it's kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it's like there's this loose fabric underneath here. Just kind of, I'm not sure. Not sure what I think of that. But anyway, obviously, other than that, this is a gorgeous dress. It's a very flattering, you know, kind of that, a little bit of the empire waist where it's thicker like this is really flattering. And it is a size, excuse me, it is a petite. And so I have it on with these, you know, I have it on with these wedges that are not very high, but they are probably maybe a 2-inch wedge, 1.5 inches, and it fits perfectly, and I'm just about 5'4", so just FYI, for those of you who are petite, this is a really nice fit for this maxi dress. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching the try-on. Some of that was a little outside my comfort zone. First of all, Marissa is the one who styled me today, and I believe she styled me last time and the time before that as well. Okay. Hopefully I can read this without the glasses. Okay, so the first item, as you saw, is this, again, the DLE Venezia Smocked Crop Top. This is in Cobalt. Has these little straps and the little tie in the front. Again, beautiful color. And this one is an extra small, $38. So honestly, if you have the figure to wear this and have not had a C-section or other issues, then I think this would be perfect for you. Anyway, it's a beautiful top, just not my deal, my style. Beautiful. Okay, the next thing on here are these Parker Smith Ava Capri Skinny Jeans. These are in the light purple. As you saw, I do have another pair somewhat similar. These are $128. So yes, they're great. They fit pretty well, I think. They were comfortable, but I already have a pair, and 120 is probably more than I would spend. I know the pair I have, I think, was probably 88, but that's about close to the top. Okay, the next thing on here, sorry, are these olive green. Actually, no, these are just called green Market and Spruce Camellia double button-down shorts. Again, very cute, comfortable, kind of a dressier look. I think, again, for me, the pattern and just the fit, they're too close to something I already own, so I won't be keeping that likely. So those first 3 items are no's for me. The next one is this harp hair denim jacket by Liverpool, and obviously I like it because I already have it. So I will not be keeping this one, but FYI for those of you who might like it. Okay, last but not least, this is the Wisp. This is the Ella Jersey maxi dress. It is gorgeous. Such a beautiful bright color. I just love it, and it's so comfortable and flattering. My biggest issue is going to be, will I actually wear it? Because the color. And my husband's already pointed out to me that it is beautiful, but he doesn't think I'll wear it because of the color. So I would love your feedback on that, actually, because, again, just be honest. I know the dress looks good, but if there's a color that you don't typically wear, I don't think that I'm going to force myself to do it. So anyway, let me read the total of the prices and everything here. So what we have, spendy one. So this one came to $406. The buy-all discount is $101.50. Oh, and I did get an extra. I'll show that to you. So the extra was $38. So the total for this one would have been $342.50. It's probably a good one for me not to find a lot of things that work. But sorry, I wanted to show you. I also ordered this Free People bralette. I don't know. I'm sure you have seen this from the extras, and I cannot hold it up all right. But I love this color, and so I'm not going to try this one on for you, but I will try to update you if I ended up keeping this, because I think it's really cute. But 38 is a lot, and it doesn't look like it has a ton of support. So anyway, I just wanted to grab that or add that. If you've not already done so, please subscribe. I will probably be getting another fix just as soon as I check out and can schedule one. Watson, can you participate at all? Can you say anything? Come here, Watson. Come on. Do something. Oh, see, he did. All right, we will talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day.